No calculator, no AI. In this video, try to simplify a Harvard University simultaneous linear algebraic equation, which is x plus y is equal 20 and xy is equal 44. 97% of students are see this problem and immediately panic due to this ugly exponent. But there's a hidden trick, and once you spot it, the whole problem becomes surprisingly easy. So at first we take this x plus y is equal to 20 as a equation number 1 and xy equal 44 is the equation number 2. So from the equation number 1 we can write x plus y is equal to 20. So from here we can get the single value of y, which is 20 minus x. So this is our first hidden trick. This y equation help us to solve this exponential linear algebraic very easily. So here from equation number 2 we get x times y is equal to 44. So we have to just replace here this y's value. Then we'll get x times the y value bracket 20 minus x bracket is equal to 44, right? So here we can easily multiply x times 20 will be 20x minus x times x will be x square equal 44. So from this equation, if we write this as a orderically, then it will be like minus x square plus 20x minus 44 is equal to 0. So if we have to now divide it both sides with minus 1, then the equation will be look like x minus x square divided by minus 1, 20x divided by minus 1, like this. And now after dividing by minus 1 we'll get x square minus 20x plus 44 is equal to 0. So guys, here our the hidden trick number 2. This is a quadratic equation. So if we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then we'll get the value of a will be 1, the value of b will be minus 20, and the value of c will be 44. So from here we know the quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus minus root over v square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from in here we have to just replace our value of a, b, c and do the simplest equation mathematically, then the answer will become here. So we can write here the value of b is equal to minus bracket minus 20 plus minus 20 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 44 divided by 2 times 1 as the value of a. So after this we will get minus minus will be 20 plus minus root over 40 is 20 square will be 400 and 4 times 44 will be 176 divided by 2. So here after that we can write 20 plus minus root over 400 minus 176 will be 224 divided by 2. So guys, here if we break down 224 we divided by 2, then we'll get like 106 but 12. After divided by 2 will be get 56. After dividing by 2 will be get like 28. After dividing by 2 will be get like 14. Divided by 2 will be 7. So here we can get the value of 2 1 2 3 4. So this power will be 4 and 2 times 4 7 will be 14. This is our simplest value of this bigger value. Now we have to just replace here this equation, then we'll get the proper perfectest way for solution. The x is equal to, you know, 20 plus minus root over 2 to the power 4 times 14 divided by 2. So from here we can write x is equal to 20 divided by 20 plus minus 2 root over 2 to the power 4 times root over 14 divided by 2, and here we'll write 20 plus minus 2 to the power 2, because this root and this 4 will be cancelled out by 2, and root 14 divided by 2, and here we'll get 20 plus minus 2 is equal to 4 root over 14 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now this will be cancelled out, we will get 10, and this will be cancelled out, we will get 2. So the simplest value of x will be 10 plus minus 2 root over 14. So guys, we get our first value of answer x, 10 plus minus 2 root over 14. So we have to just get the value of y, then the problem will be solved pretty special way. So from here we can easily write that the value of x1 is equal to 10 plus 2 root over 14. So the value of y will be, if you recall, we get this from the equation number 2, y is equal to 20 minus x. We again use this equation and write on y1 will be 20 minus x1. So here we just replace the x1 value, which is minus 10 minus root of 2 root over 14, then we'll get 10 minus 2 root over 14. So guys, we get our first answer, x1 comma y1 is equal to like 10 plus 2 root over 14 comma 10 minus 2 root over 14. This is our first answer. After that we will get the second value of x2, which was 10 minus 2 root over 14. 10 minus 2 root over 14. Now the same way we'll get know the equation of y is equal to 20 minus 10 plus minus plus 2 root over 14. Then we'll get the value of y2 will be 10 plus 2 root over 14. So this is our answer, x1 2 comma y2 is equal to like bracket 10 minus 2 root over 14 comma 10 plus 2 root over 14. So guys, this is our answer final. Hope you are guys enjoy this solution class of simultaneous linear algebraic problem. So guys, do subscribe and like the video classes and comment your answer. Thank you.